Hello, this is Joe with the A.B.E Doors and Windows Showroom. Today we are in our garage because we are talking about springs today. These right up here. Every single garage door should have a spring system in order for it to function properly and have proper counterbalance with the door back here. Unfortunately, those springs tend to wear and tear and just break over time. And it's not a matter of if, but when. And it's a bit of a scary thing when it happens because the door makes a loud bang and you can't open and close your door. We can always replace the springs for you, but to make this a little bit less scary, our manufacturer Raynor offers a certain EnduraCote system on their springs and their hardware that actually covers the springs and hardware components under a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your home. The EnduraCote spring system is available on the Aspen, Encore, and Rock Creek series of garage door from Raynor. It initially looks like a cosmetic difference with powder-coated white track, hardware, and end styles, and powder-coated black springs. Not only does the EnduraCote add a great look to your springs and hardware, but it also has a longer life cycle than standard springs. Thank you very much for watching today's video on Raynor's EnduraCote system. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you have a great day.